Hi, I'm Chris Saxton with Energy Swing Windows and Doors, and we're here in our showroom today to look at a very unique door product that we sell. This is a sliding glass door, very popular in Pittsburgh homes. This door is manufactured by ProVia. One of the unique parts that you're going to see here, this unit has the simulated wood grain on the inside of it. So when you see any of the parts of the door itself, that's all simulated wood. That is not true wood. However, the molding bordering the outside of this door is true cherry wood. So you can see from the real wood to the door itself how much the simulated product really looks like true cherry wood. You know, the massive advantage to the simulated product, there's no rot, there's no maintenance, sun isn't going to harm the wood over time, there's no expansion and contraction. So this guy we've been putting in to replace a lot of real wood products. Now when you get into some of the features on the ProVia door, you know, there's multiple colors this is available in. You can also get this done in real wood if that's something that you would elect as well. But what you'll see here, there's a pretty unique pattern. This is a decorative glass design that they can do. Not everybody selects it, but it is pretty popular. It's a small border to accent around the outside of the sliding glass door. Another very unique feature to the ProVia sliding glass door is what they call their AccuVent venting system. So you'll see in the side of the sash here, you have a release lever. When I release this lever, it is actually throwing a pin into the top of the door here. If you're seeing this piece, it looks like alligator teeth here. There's 9 different segments. They're all a ½ inch apart. But once I throw the pin into the top, the door can no longer slide past that pin. So when you look over here, if you have a dog or a small child, you wanted to allow a little bit of air to come into your home, it was dark outside, you know, you can close this down to a 1-inch gap by releasing the clip and sliding it out a little bit further. You know, you have the ability to have the door open even a little bit farther if you would like. The other advantage to the door, when the pin is engaged and you can't open the door anymore, if it was to blow a storm or you wanted to close this door quickly, you can always shut the door even though the pin is engaged. So it will shut and lock. You will no longer be able to get this door out of the jam system until you release the AccuVent clip. One of the features you'll see here is a heavy-duty handle set. It has a C-lever on it that is very good for gripping on the inside and outside. There is no chintzy sliding glass door hardware on there. The advantage to this hardware, it can be keyed to any of the entry doors inside of your home, so we can complete a one-key system. The other thing you're going to see here that makes our sliding glass door a little more unique is the screen. The screen you actually have to push down and you'll be able to slide open because it is a locking screen. But what's so unique about this screen is that it is top hung. So all the rollers are on the top of the screen instead of being down in the bottom. You know, the massive benefit to that is as leaves blow and debris collect at the bottom of the door, your rollers are lifted up out of play where you never, ever, ever have that binding situation. So it makes for a very, very, very easy rolling sliding glass door. And that's probably what I'll finish up with here as well. The zinc-coated nylon rollers that are on the door system itself. The advantage is it is a super easy sliding door. One thing that we get a lot of comments on when the door is completely shut, you can actually hear the seal break when I slide the door. So if you have any other questions on Energy Swing sliding glass door, feel free to come down to our showroom and operate it for yourself because it's one of a kind, it's first class. If not, if you have any questions, we can bring some samples out to your home as well. Thanks for your time.